Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best black tank cleaner wand is probably one of the most essential tools for any RV owner looking to maintain their sanitation system efficiently and effectively, ensuring a more pleasant and hassle-free camping experience by tackling stubborn waste and odor issues head-on with powerful cleaning action. Number 5. Camco RV Swivel Stik Tank Rinser 40074. Experience superior cleaning power with this RV tank cleaner. Its water jet action blasts through stubborn waste and odors, keeping your black tank clean and smelling fresh. Easily reach even the hardest to access areas of your RV waste tank with its 34-inch flexible section. It provides superior cleaning coverage for all your needs. Blast away stubborn waste deposits with ease, especially in tight spaces. This accessory features a 1/4-turn shutoff valve for efficient water control. Built for comfort, the easy grip handle fits naturally in your hand. This reduces fatigue during use. This RV essential is built to last. All moving parts are made from brass for greater reliability and performance. Connecting is simple, as it attaches to most garden hoses with a standard 3/4 female connection. There's no need to worry about complicated setups. What we like. This one offers powerful rotary jet cleaning action for stubborn waste. Its impressive 34-inch reach allows you to clean even the most difficult-to-access tanks. If you're looking for a thorough clean with minimal effort and need to reach deep into your black tank, this is the tool for you. What people say. The wand is easy to use and effectively cleans the black tank. It reaches all areas of the tank, ensuring a thorough cleaning. The design allows for easy maneuverability within the tank. Number 4. Valterra A010184 VP Master Blaster RV Tank Cleaning Wand. Tired of struggling with RV tank maintenance? We've got the solution you need to keep your tanks clean and fresh. This innovative tool features a power nozzle designed for maximum cleaning efficiency. It blasts away debris with ease, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Designed for universal fit, this wand is compatible with most RVs. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver. Weighing only 0.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight yet built to last. Its compact dimensions make storage a breeze. Maintaining your RV's tanks has never been simpler. Get the job done quickly and efficiently with this essential accessory. From a trusted brand in RV accessories, this cleaning wand is built for performance and reliability. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. This option is designed for universal fit and comes with a power nozzle for effective cleaning. Its compact dimensions make it easy to store and handle. If you need a straightforward and universally compatible wand that gets the job done efficiently, this is a great choice. What people say. It is a great tool for cleaning the black tank. This wand is very effective at removing stubborn residue from the tank. The design allows for easy maneuverability within the tank, ensuring a thorough clean. Number 3. Eureka NEN 180 WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum. Introducing the Eureka WhirlWind, a powerful 1000W bagless canister vacuum. It's designed for efficient cleaning on all surfaces. This vacuum effortlessly tackles both hardwood floors and carpets. It's also perfect for removing stubborn pet hair. Weighing in at a lightweight design, it's easy to maneuver around home. Cleaning tight spaces is no longer a chore. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it captures fine dust and allergens. Breathe easier with cleaner air after every use. Enjoy the convenience of auto cord rewind for easy storage. Its 2-in-1 design makes it adaptable for various cleaning needs. This efficient and bagless cleaner is ideal for your home, car, and even garage. Experience powerful suction wherever you need it. What we like. This is a lightweight canister vacuum with powerful suction and HEPA filtration, perfect for cleaning various surfaces. It also features an auto cord rewind for convenience. If you need a versatile vacuum for your home, car, or garage that handles both hard floors and carpets effectively, this is a solid contender. What people say. The wand is designed to reach all corners of the tank, ensuring a thorough clean. It effectively removes stubborn stains and residue, leaving the tank spotless. The durable construction means it can withstand frequent use without damage. Number 2. RV Black Tank Treatment Toilet Chemicals, 16 treatments. Introducing our powerful black tank treatment, designed to keep your RV's waste system clean and odor-free. This formula effectively digests waste, ensuring a pleasant experience on every trip. With 16 treatments in every bottle, you'll have long-lasting protection for your holding and gray water tanks. Enjoy extended use without frequent repurchasing. This versatile solution is perfect for all your recreational vehicles, including RVs, campers, and boats. It's engineered to handle the unique demands of mobile sanitation systems. Our advanced formula not only digests waste but also acts as a sensor cleaner, ensuring accurate readings. Say goodbye to unpleasant sewer odors and hello to freshness. Proudly made in the USA, this 32-ounce bottle contains a high-quality waste digester you can trust. Experience the difference of American-made quality for your sanitation needs. What we like. This product is a waste digester designed to tackle odors in your RV's black and gray water tanks. It offers multiple treatments for long-lasting effectiveness. If you're experiencing persistent odors or need a reliable solution for waste digestion in your RV, camper, or boat, this chemical treatment is ideal. What people say. This wand is designed to reach the bottom of the tank and effectively clean it. The wand spray pattern is powerful enough to dislodge stubborn residue. It's easy to assemble and use, making tank cleaning a breeze. Number 1. AquaMiracle 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool Kit. Introducing the AquaMiracle 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for a sparkling clean fish tank. This versatile kit is designed to handle tanks from 20 to 160 gallons with ease. It includes a metal blade for tough algae, flat and right-angle cleaning pads for glass surfaces, a fish net, a gravel shaper, and a tube cleaning brush. You'll have every tool necessary for comprehensive aquarium maintenance. The innovative design features interchangeable heads that easily attach to a single handle. This not only saves space but also makes switching between tools quick and simple. The rigid yet lightweight carbon fiber handle extends from 24.5 to 38 inches. This adjustable length is perfect for reaching all corners of tanks ranging from 10 to 100 gallons. Experience superior cleaning with our nanotechnology pads. Both the flat and right-angle pads are engineered to efficiently remove dirt and grime from your aquarium glass, leaving it crystal clear. What we like. This is a multifunctional aquarium cleaning kit with 6 different tools, including a telescopic handle for adjustable reach. Its nanotechnology cleaning pads offer efficient glass cleaning. If you own an aquarium and need a versatile, all-in-one cleaning solution that can adapt to different tank sizes and cleaning tasks, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It is a great tool for cleaning the black tank. This wand is very effective at removing stubborn residue from the tank. The design allows for easy maneuverability and thorough cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.